The Great Furniture Price Conundrum, navigating the sofa storm. Are your furniture costs spiraling out of control? The Bureau of Labour Statistics reveals a startling trend. Living room, kitchen and dining room furniture prices have soared by a whopping 25% since February 2020. But here's the twist. Bedroom furniture has only risen by 11% in the same period. Why the disparity? Let's unravel this mystery. The furniture industry, like many others, has faced rising costs for utilities, insurance and wages. The pandemic exacerbated these expenses, with a surge in demand for home office setups and outdoor furniture, while shipping costs skyrocketed. But here's where it gets controversial. Industry insiders argue that furniture prices have actually increased slower than overall inflation, which has risen by nearly 26% since 2020. A popular belief, echoed by industry expert David Kohler, is that you could buy a $399 sofa in 1984 and still find one at that price today. This is a unique aspect of the furniture market compared to other big-ticket items like cars or appliances. But why is this the case? The answer lies in the intense competition within the mass-market furniture sector. Bill McLaughlin, editor of Furniture Today, explains that the barriers to entry are incredibly low, leading to a highly fragmented industry. Sellers must compete not only with second-hand options, but also with consumers' discretionary spending plans, like vacations or home improvements. And this is the part most people miss. The quest for the lowest prices has driven much of the furniture industry overseas. McLaughlin highlights that manufacturing follows low-cost labor, a trend for the past 60 years, as labor is a significant cost component. American wages and environmental standards drive up production costs. So even domestic furniture hubs in states like Mississippi and North Carolina rely on importing components from abroad, primarily China. Enter the tariffs. President Trump's tariffs during his first term made importing furniture from China more expensive, leading to a shift in manufacturing to Vietnam. This year, Trump expanded tariffs on imports from almost all countries, including double-digit tariffs on kitchen cabinets, vanities, and upholstered furniture. As a result, major furniture companies like Ashley Furniture have increased their prices, and industry groups predict further cost increases for retailers and consumers. So, what's the solution? As importing becomes pricier, American-made furniture may gain appeal. But will consumers bite? Seller Kohler expresses concern about the price sensitivity of shoppers. Many, like Erin Cummins, are already feeling the pinch from rising costs in other essential areas, such as health insurance, car insurance, and groceries. The dilemma is clear. Should one prioritize new furniture or other pressing expenses? In the end, the furniture price conundrum leaves us with more questions than answers. Is the industry's reliance on overseas manufacturing sustainable? Will consumers embrace domestic furniture despite higher prices? Share your thoughts below, and let's spark a conversation on this intriguing topic.